If you're looking for a sales-focused CRM that's simple to use and built to actually help you close more deals, Pipedrive has probably been on your radar. But does it really live up to the hype? And is it worth the subscription? Let's find out. Pipedrive is a CRM designed specifically for sales teams and deal-driven businesses. It's known for its visual pipelines, intuitive interface, and automation tools that help salespeople focus on selling rather than admin work. In this review, I'll break down its features, updated pricing, what users love, where it could improve, and whether it's right for your business. Pipedrive focuses on being sales first rather than a generic all-in-one CRM. Visual sales pipelines, drag-and-drop deals between stages, activity management, schedule calls, meetings, and follow-ups with reminders, automation, set triggers for tasks, emails, and lead assignment, email integration, sync with Gmail, Outlook, or other providers, lead management, capture leads via chatbots, web forms, and tracking tools, reporting and insights, customizable dashboards and deal analytics, mobile apps, manage deals and activities on the go, marketplace integrations, works with over 400 tools including Zoom, Slack, and Trello. Pricing plans. Pipedrive offers a 14-day free trial with no credit card required. Lite, $14 per month. Billed annually. Lead, calendar, and pipeline management. AI-powered reporting. Real-time sales feed. 500+ integrations. Personalized onboarding. Growth, $39 per month. Everything in Lite plus full email sync with tracking, automations and nurturing sequences, subscriptions and forecast reports. Meeting scheduler, contacts timeline, and live chat support. Premium, $49 per month. Most popular, everything in growth plus lead generation and routing, custom scoring and company data enrichment, AI-powered multi-email tools, contracts and e-signatures, and advanced customization for teams and reports. Ultimate, $79 per month. Everything in premium, plus advanced security with rules and alerts, phone and email data enrichment, maximized usage limits, and a sandbox testing account. Monthly billing is slightly higher. What users love. Easy to learn and use. The interface is clean and intuitive. Sales-centric design, built around deal management, not just contact storage. Automation saves time, cuts down on repetitive admin tasks, customizable pipelines, adaptable to almost any sales process. Strong reporting. Visual dashboards help track performance at a glance. Where it falls short. Limited marketing tools. Not a full marketing automation platform. Cost adds up for larger teams. Per user pricing can get expensive at scale. Basic plan is quite limited. You'll likely need at least the advanced tier for automation and email sync. No free forever plan. Only a free trial, so you'll need to commit after testing. Pipedrive is a fantastic choice for sales-focused teams that want a CRM built around closing deals rather than managing contacts. It's straightforward, effective, and flexible enough for most industries. If you need heavy marketing automation or a free forever plan, you might need to pair it with other tools, but as a sales engine, it delivers. Pipedrive keeps sales simple, visual, and efficient, exactly what a good CRM should do. If this review helped you, hit like, subscribe for more honest software breakdowns, and let me know in the comments what's the biggest bottleneck in your sales process. See you in the next one.